The camera opens on a dimly lit street, the kind where the world feels paused for just a moment. Then, headlights flare to life. A silhouette sharpens into view. And there it is, the 2026 Renault Clio, stepping forward like it knows it owns the night. This isn't just another refresh. It feels like Renault sat down, took a deep breath, and said, "Let's make the everyday drive feel cinematic again." Walk around it and the Clio's new design language immediately hits you. The sharper LED signature, the tightened body lines, the way the front grille carries a quiet confidence. Everything feels more sculpted, more deliberate. It's compact, yes, but nothing about it feels small. Renault has given it that subtle European swagger, the kind that doesn't need to announce itself because the posture says enough. Inside, the cabin feels like it graduated to another class. Soft touch surfaces where your hands naturally fall, a cleaner dashboard layout, and an infotainment screen that no longer tries to overpower the space but integrates smoothly into it. The digital cluster is crisp, the ambient lighting surprisingly elegant, and the seats strike that sweet balance between urban comfort and long drive support. It feels modern without being flashy, familiar without feeling old. Under the hood, the 2026 Clio leans into efficient powertrains, refined small displacement engines, and hybrid options designed for real-world driving. Acceleration is confident for its size, especially in the hybrid trim where the electric motor fills in the low-end torque with a satisfying smoothness. Fuel efficiency is one of its standout traits. Renault clearly designed this car to stretch every kilometer without ever feeling sluggish. In city driving, the light steering and tight chassis tuning make it playful, while on the highway it settles into a surprisingly composed rhythm. The suspension feels tuned for everyday roads, absorbing bumps without the softness that blurs feedback. It's the kind of car that makes even short drives feel cleaner, sharper, more intentional. Technology brings the Clio fully into the present. Wireless smartphone integration, updated driver assist features, cleaner UI animations, and a voice assistant that actually understands you more often than not. Everything feels thoughtfully simplified, as if Renault wanted the tech to disappear into the background instead of demanding attention. Pricing will vary by market, but the Clio continues to sit in that sweet spot. Affordable enough to be a smart buy, polished enough to feel like you're getting more than you paid for. Key highlights? Strong efficiency, upgraded driving refinement, a much more premium cabin feel, and a design that finally gives the Clio some visual bite. As the camera pulls away, the taillights leave a streak of red across the screen, the kind that lingers in the mind long after the car is gone. If this is what Renault is bringing to the table now, the next chapter of compact cars is about to get interesting. And if you thought this review was exciting, just wait. What's lined up next is going to make this year on the road unforgettable.